Paul Ross presents 6C Jaqueline St Bayswater. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom family home is located in a sought-after quiet pocket of Bayswater, with the Swan River just a short stroll away. Well presented and surprisingly spacious, this home has a very practical floor plan. The master bedroom features a large walk-in wardrobe and a lovely ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles. The minor bedrooms all have built-in robes and ceiling fans and share the main bathroom consisting of a separate bath and shower. The central part of the home is where most of your casual time will be spent, congregating within a spacious open-plan family and dining area with a split-system air conditioner and a gas bayonet. The functional kitchen has gas cooking and flows out to the alfresco, which is perfect for entertaining your family and friends. The home is located only a short distance to the Swan River, Claughton Reserve, boat ramp and only a short drive to the airport. You're not far from the bird sanctuary, walking and cycle paths. This home defines low-maintenance living to suit all lifestyles and would make a fantastic first home, an ideal downsizer or an awesome investment. Paul Ross welcomes all real estate agents to make inquiries on behalf of their buyers and a chance to work together. For more information or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.